Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy and delicious barbecue beef sliders in the pressure cooker. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, so here I have 4 pounds of chuck pot rolls. Just go in to pat it dry and season it with salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. And you want to do it on all sides. Okay, once we have it, we're going to allow it to rest for about 30 minutes. Alright, so after at least 30 minutes, we can now get ready to cook it. You can do this step in your pressure cooker using the sluces setting. Just make sure that you add a little bit of oil and it's nice and hot. Okay, so once it's nice and hot, we're going to place our meat. And we're going to sear it for 3 minutes per side. Along with that, I'm going to add my jalapeños and onion. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to flip our meat over to the other side and allow that side to sear for another 3 minutes. Just make sure that you're moving around the onions along with the jalapeños. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we can now sear the sides. Okay, and once done, we can transfer our meat to our pressure cooker pot. Okay, here, just make sure that you give your onions a good mix and scrape all the burn bits. And once you have them, you can transfer them to the meat. Okay, so now we can slice our jalapeños and top them over our meat. And along with that, we're going to add 1 cup of beef broth. And now we're just going to close our pressure cooker. We're going to be cooking for 1.5 hours on high. So just allow it to do its thing. Okay, guys, so after 1 hour and 30 minutes, our meat is done. So now just make sure that you remove all of the steam from your pressure cooker. And now we're just going to transfer our meat back into our skillet. So now we can just get ready to shred our meat. Okay, so once we have shred our meat, just going to be adding a little bit of the broth. And here we're going to add our barbecue sauce. Okay, once we've mixed our barbecue sauce, now we're going to stick it in the oven for 20 minutes. Alright guys, so here I already lined up my buns with some cheese. Of course, make sure that you grease your baking sheet. Now we're just going to be adding our meat and place it over our buns. Okay, and I'm just going to be drizzling some more barbecue sauce. And you can add more cheese or onions, but now we're just going to place our top buns. Just going to butter them down. Now we're going to place them back in our oven and allow that cheese to melt. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, our sliders are done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. I promise you, all your friends and family are going to love and enjoy, especially now that it's barbecue season. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Like, it's so easy to make, so simple, yet so flavorful. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious barbecue beef sliders. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.